So I received a few questions about the secondary deleted cuts and how they sound between tour and sport, or between tour and performance. So let's take a listen. This is cruising at about 55, 60 miles an hour on a 2-lane highway in sport mode. 6th gear, 5th gear, 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear. Just cruising now, lifting off the accelerator. I'll switch to tour mode. 6th gear, 5th gear, 4th gear. So hopefully you can hear some of that difference. I know it's pretty subtle with the deleted secondary cats. I think in stock form it's much more noticeable. With the secondary cats deleted in this 2016 Chevrolet SS, it's the sound difference is there, but it may not be as noticeable to most people. Hope this video was helpful, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.